Phase 2 is the ontology. This is the backbone of everything downstream, so take your time here. You create object types, capstone property backed by the properties dataset, capstone tenant, capstone technician, and capstone maintenance job backed by your enriched pipeline output. We prefix everything with capstone to avoid conflicts in the shared training sandbox. Open Ontology Manager, click New Object Type. Walk through the 4-step wizard: data source, metadata, properties, and actions. After the object types, create link types connecting them. From tenant to property, drop to tenant, and drop to technician. Then 3 actions: assign technician, update job status, and schedule inspection. When you're done, merge your branch and open Object Explorer. Search for capstone and verify you see all the types with the correct object counts. Click into a property and check that the Links tab shows connected jobs and technicians. If all links resolve, your ontology is fully wired. This dashboard is going to be smarter than anything you've built so far. It won't just show data, it will recommend the best technician for every job. Open Workshop, create a new module called Capstone Scheduling Dashboard with 3 columns. The left panel is a property list, an object list widget backed by your capstone property object set. When you click a property, it stores the selection. The center panel is the key, an object table showing capstone maintenance job objects. But here's the trick. You wire the selected job variable to intersect with a link traversal from the active property. So when you click a property on the left, the job table automatically filters to only that property's maintenance job. This is the power of workshop variables. The right panel lists all technicians. Below it, you add a button group widget wired to the capstone assign technician action. Phase 4 adds intelligence on top of your dashboard. First, create an AIP agent called Scheduling Assistant in AIP Agent Studio. Give it object set variables, 1 for each of your main capstone types. For each variable, toggle on Agent can see the variable value and add an ontology context so it can retrieve full objects. Under Tools, enable native tool calling. Then add 2 tools, apply actions with your assign technician and update job status actions, and query objects with SQL for all object types. Then paste in the system prompt from the tutorial. It tells the agent to consider trade match, distance, workload, and past performance when recommending technicians and to always confirm before executing an action. Test with a query such as show me an open HVAC job or who is the best technician for job 1234, and you'll get a response. In the next video, we will introduce FDE, also code repositories. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there.